Hey guys, welcome back to Bonnie's Review Channel. Today I'm back with another video. Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing a brand new sports bra. Stay tuned. Alright, so right here is the brand new sports bra that I did order. This is two different colors. Let's go ahead and get into the package. I did a previous video of another different sports bra. If you're interested, I will link all that in the details in the description. So right here is the blue and beige. This size is a 40F. I got this in the blue and the beige, and I got another one in a dark purple and a light purple. This does not have any underwire. It's got the spandex at the bottom, so it does hold in, and it is secure. You get full support with these sports bras. And first off, you can see the quality of these sports bras are very good quality. The clasps in the back, this right here, it stretches. It's got your ventilation in there. Very good stitching. You can see the elasticity in the bottom. And you can see the stitching. Here are the straps. Very good stitching. As well as in the back. You have your tightener. You can loosen it or tighten it. Very good. You've got good support on the straps. Again, it's like memory foam, so there's no digging into your shoulders. And this is also stretchable. And here, this is more like a silk padding. And it is stretchy. There is no pads in this. This is all breast. So this is the purple one. You can see of good quality this is. All of it's pretty much stretchable, as well as the sides. The cups are stretchable. So it gives you pretty big enough room without being tightness on you. As long as you have the right measurements, this is true to size. You can see the clasps in the back are very well stitched. And this right here just tells you the size. This is a UK 40F, EU 90G, FR 105G, and a US 40F. You can see the very well stitching. So this is a really nice sports bra. I love these. I wear these all the time. So here is the blue and beige, much like the purple one. Just a different color. This one does, I guess, offer up to 10 or 12 different colors to choose from. You can see it's stretchy at the bottom. Very well stitched. And again, if you have your measurements correct, this is true to size. You can see the stitching. This is like a silk on the inside. This is padded, like memory foam, so you won't have any digging into your shoulders. The clasps are very good. Very good quality, same as the straps. Even these are stretchable. You can see the fine detail work of the stitching. This is also breathable on these sides with these little holes. This is stretchable. So if you're out working out, this gives you a little bit of air so you won't be sweating too much. These are so good. I actually wear these on a daily basis. Very comfortable, soft. You can see right here stretching. These do have very good support. These clasps are very good stitching. You can see the stitch work. It is comfortable. Again, this right here is stretchable. So you have a little extra room in there. It does give you a lot of support. And I'm going to show you the support. So after I clisp this, I'm going to go ahead and try it on. I'm going to try on both of them so you can see that it does give support even though there is no wires. It is really nice. So let's go ahead and make our way to trying this bra on so you can see how much support you get in this sports bra. And right here I am trying on the purple one. You can see that it does have a lot of support. It does hold. This is a 40F. So if you're a busty female like myself, this is definitely a good sports bra to pick, especially if you're working out or just wearing it around the house or going out. It does give tons of support. It does hold up the girls. Very comfortable. It feels like you've got nothing on. So now let's make our way to the blue and beige. So here's the blue and beige. Very nice. Fits like a glove as long as you have your true measurements. This is true to size. I honestly love this one. It does give you support. You do have a little bit of room in here, but you can see it does support very well. I definitely would recommend this sports bra. It is definitely a must-have. If you're interested in this sports bra, I will link all the details in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Go ahead and check me out at Maudie'sReviewChannel.com.